Hi there, how are things going on? Hope you are all doing well. Me too, doing well. I'm back with another video lesson for 8th class students. Unit 1, C reading is considered a letter to friend. Before stepping into the actual reading passage, it is better to get some knowledge regarding letter writing. What is a letter? This is considered not only for 8th class, for the remaining classes even. 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, for all students it is necessary to come to know about letter writing. What is a letter? Have you ever written a letter? Have you got a letter from anyone? Now we are going to have a discussion on letter. What is a letter? Kinds of letters, what are the formats of the letters, and how to present a letter. Letter writing is a skill. You see, what is a letter? A letter is a written message. What is a letter? A letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another person through a medium. Any medium it can be. Letter means a communication. It is a mode of communication and a store of information. You can store the information. If you get a letter from your relatives or friends or in the form of appreciation from any institution, you can store that information. You can store that letter as information. So letter means not only a mode of communication but also a store of information. Whether you write on your own or it is a printed, it doesn't matter. Whether you write on your own on a paper or you type it and get it to print out, it doesn't matter. Letter is a written message. It is a conveyed message from one person to another person. Though the advancement in technology made communication so easy, the art of writing a letter is considered an important requirement. You see, the advancement of technology, you can send any information to any nook and corner of the world within the span of a second. Within the fraction of a second. Through WhatsApp, we have mail, and so many modes we have nowadays because of the modern technology. Modern technology made the communication so easy. But writing a letter is considered an important requirement. So, it is very important to come to know about writing a letter. Letters are two types. Letter can be a formal letter and an informal letter. Letters are two types, formals, informal. Formal letter, informal letter. What is formal letter and what is informal letter? Within brief, formal letter nothing but official letters, business letters, business people they write. Informal letters nothing but letters to friends and relatives. In brief, you just differentiate between the two things. Formal letters are official letters or business letters. Informal letters are letters to friends and letters to relatives. You see, even today, a letter is an important means of communication in both the workspace as well as our personal lives. So not only in the workspace but also in our personal life, letter plays a vital role even today. Right. On page number 15, we have given a reading passage under the heading, a letter to friend. Letter to friend. So a letter to friend, it is considered as an informal letter. To write an informal letter, we need to follow a format. Earlier, we have discussed that address and date, the first and foremost part of the letter, we placed top right side of the corner. As time rolls, there are some changes in writing letters. In English language, there are some changes. Changes occur as time rolls. So here, it is not a mistake, it is not a sin writing address and date on the left side of the top left side of the corner. There are some patterns. If you want to write address and date on the top right side corner, you are allowed. Otherwise, you can write top left side of the corner of the page, address and date. Your address. Suppose I write a letter to my friend, so this address, it belongs to me, and date. So address and date, they tell us from which address, on which date that letter is written. So this is very important thing. Writing address and date, very important thing. You can write either top left side corner or top right side corner of the page. Just imagine that this is an A4 sheet paper. So a blank paper, either a top right corner or a top left corner, you can mention address, and address in the sense your door number, street, town, enough. Then the date format, any format. 9th September 2020 or September 9th 2020, or you can mention 09/09/2020, whatever you want the date format, you can write. The next thing is greetings are nothing but salutation. You see here, I mentioned dear Karthik. In our reading passage, we have mentioned dear Suresh. Letter to friend. If you are writing a letter to your friend, so you can directly mention your name, friend name, dear Karthik. Or you are, suppose you write letter to your same age group, even you can mention the name of the boy or girl directly. Dear Ashok, dear Shashank, dear Shravanti, any name you can mention. For example, you are writing letter to your mother or your relatives, uncle or aunt or grandmother or grandfather, you should not mention their name. At that cases, dear mother, dear aunt, dear grandpa, dear grandma, in such you should mention greetings. Do you understand? Now, the next thing is body of the letter. Body of the letter, here we split into two parts. Beginning of the body of the letter, it is introduction paragraph. What you should write in the introduction paragraph? Suppose I am writing letter to my friend Karthik. I need to come to know about the well-being of my friend. And you should mention your hope. You should mention your hope about your friends or relatives' good health, good wealth, and great spirits. So they are the things we should mention in introduction paragraph. Then gradually you can develop the body of the letter, whatever you want to convey. You can write in simple English, whatever you want to present. If you remain in front of your friend, in what way you can converse, the same thing you can develop the body of the letter. No need to follow any formal instructions. Do you understand? Right. Next, after developing the body of the letter, conclusion with regards or best wishes or conveying the regards. Then afterwards, closing, yours loving friend, then your signature. This closing, you should be differ from person to person. You should not write your loving friend to your relatives. Understand? Yours lovingly, simply yours lovingly, then you can write your signature. So this is a closing. So this is the format of an informal letter which can be written to your friend or to your relatives. Then this closing can be considered as a subscription. After completion of the letter, I mean after mentioning your signature, here to address, if it is examination purpose, you can mention. In your real life, if you write a letter to your friend, no need to mention this to address even. Actually, this to address, it is considered as superscription. It should be mentioned on an envelope. Completion of the letter, what we should do? This is A4 sheet, already I told you. We should fold it in a systematic way. Then where we should place it? We should place it in an envelope cover. My friend Karthik's address. For example, if I write a letter to my friend Karthik, Karthik's address, where I should write that letter, that address, superscription, I should write that address over the envelope. Based on the same format, we have given a reading passage on page number 15, a letter to a friend. Right, my dear students? Based on the same format, under the heading A Letter to a Friend, we have given a reading passage on page number 15. In the next video, we will discuss about it. Until that, stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching my video.